When you trade with this strategy, you don't have to wait for economic news to come out. You earn money on currency exchange rates or any other asset, regardless of whether it's rising or falling. You can use this strategy any time of day, any day of the week. It's been tested by seasoned traders and is logical and precise. Trading is based on the Japanese candlesticks chart. Each candlestick shows how the price for a given asset has changed over the selected time interval. If the candlestick is green, it means that the asset got more expensive. If it's red, it got cheaper. To earn income, you just have to predict the color of the next candle correctly. Candlesticks of the same color most often follow one another, or as traders say, they form a trend. All you need, therefore, is to open a trade in the direction of the trend just when a new candlestick forms. That is, if a candlestick just closed green, you should close an up trade. If the candlestick closed red, your prediction is down. We advise always starting with a small amount. If your prediction proves wrong, just double the amount of the next trade. The income from the correct prediction will therefore cover the previous loss. When your prediction is correct, go back to the small initial amount of the trade. Let's test the strategy in practice. To start, go to olymptrade.com, register and click on the Start Trading button. When you open the chart for any asset such as the Euro-US dollar currency pair and enable Japanese candlesticks, you'll see that it basically consists of candlesticks of one color, one after another. Selected time, 5 minutes. This time is called the time frame. Wait for the candlestick to close. It's green, so close a $10 up trade. The trade time will be the same, 5 minutes. A few seconds before the trade closes, you see that the price has started to fall and your prediction is incorrect. Close the next trade for $20 this time with a down prediction. The trade closes in the black, the down prediction is correct, and you don't just get back the $10 you lost, you've also earned another $8 on top. Go back to $10. Keep trading, focusing on the color of the last candlestick. You've earned $23 in half an hour. In a couple of hours, you have the possibility of earning more than $100, and that's far from the limit. So that you can practice and feel more confident, our platform has a free demo account. Other than the fact that the funds on it are virtual, it's just the same as a live account. If you run out of virtual money, you can always replenish it just by clicking a button at the top of the platform. When you start trading profitably on the demo account, put money on the live account and start earning. Note that there can be more than 2 losing trades. We therefore advise you to have enough money on your account so that you are always in the black. On our platform, you can always get a bonus to your deposit, which will enable you to achieve the deposit you need. It's time to put theory into practice and earn. Successful trading.